Here are some easy ways to provide your garden with the micronutrients which are equally important as NPK. Number 1. A single ingredient is a source of nitrogen. Iron, phosphorus and potassium. Aquarium water is actually an all-round fertilizer that can be sprayed directly on your plants or poured onto the soil. And it provides nitrogen and iron to your plants along with phosphorus and potassium. Before moving on to number 2. If you're new to this channel or if you are a repeating visitor but haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. It will motivate me to make more such informative videos. Okay. Number 2. 1 tablespoon of Blackstrap molasses to 1 gallon of water is a good source of iron, magnesium, calcium and potassium. Number 3. 1 tea bag or a sprinkle of tea leaves adds oxygen, acidity, and improves soil quality by adding tannic acid to the soil. Tannic acid make your soil a much more fertile environment for your plants. Number 4. A dose of calcium. As most gardener knows, eggshells are excellent sources of calcium, and here is one more source of calcium. Powdered milk provides a good dose of calcium to your plants. Just sprinkle half a spoon of powdered milk around the base of your plants. Number 5. A dose of magnesium. 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in 1 gallon of water given once a week to your garden provides the required amount of magnesium. Magnesium assists in production of chlorophyll, which aids in photosynthesis.